Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 7th for stage 2, which was held on 9th of November 2025, part 1st physics. So let's start the solution with question number first. So in question number first, a student connects 3 cells, each of 1.5 volt. He connects the first 2 cells in their positive terminals facing the same directions, okay, but connect the third cell in opposite direction by mistake. What will be the total potential difference across the combination? So first 2 cells are in same direction, so potential will be plus, and the third one is in opposite direction, so the total potential will be 1.5 volt. So our correct answer will be option A for question number first. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 2. So in question number 2, the distance time graph for a car's journey is shown below. The car moves from point O to A, okay, then to B and finally to C. What is the ratio of average speed of the car during the journey from 0 to A? Its average speed during the journey from B to C. So we have to find the ratio of 0 to A and B to C. So first average speed for 0 to A, that is total distance traveled by total time. So total distance is 60 and the time taken in hours, that is 2. So 30 km per hour. Now for B to C, average speed will be total distance and total time. So total distance is 60 to 100, that is 40, and time is 4 to 6 hours, that is 2 hours. So 20 km per hour. So the ratio will be 30:20. So correct option will be 3:2. So our correct answer will be option number A for question number first. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. So in question number 3, at a large scrapyard, a giant electromagnet is used to lift old cars. The crane operator needs to be able pick up a car, move it and then drop it precisely where it needs to go. To do this, the magnet must be very strong when the power is on, but become non-magnetic the instant the power is switched off. Which of the following core materials would be more suitable and why? So we have options. Hard steel because it retains magnetism for a long time, no. Soft iron because it has high permeability and low retentivity. So our correct answer will be option number B for question number 3. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, a student Rohan submit his physics lab report after carefully mapping the magnetic field of a bar magnet with a compass. His teacher praised his efforts but points out that one of the 4-man observation in physical impossible. Read Rohan's observation below and identify which one is fundamentally incorrect. So we have to find the incorrect statement. So here it is, we have an option. The field lines emerge from the North Pole and merge at the South Pole. Second option, the density of the field line is greatest near the poles. So first is correct, second is also correct. The magnetic field lines cross each other at the neutral point. No, magnetic field line never cut each other. So our correct answer for question number 4 is option number C. This is the incorrect option. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is based on true and false. We have 3 options. So in statement first, a clinical thermometer has a temperature range from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius because human body. No. That is absolutely wrong. Second statement is during the daytime in coastal areas, wind blow from the sea towards the land because the specific heat capacity of water is higher than that of land. Yes, it is true, because in daytime the land is more heated than water. The third is a polished silver surface is a poor absorber and a poor emitter of thermal radiation. Yes, because polished silver surface is good reflector. So our correct option will be F, T, T. So A option will be the correct answer for question number 5th. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is based on match the column. So we have to match column first with column second. So conduction is a metallic spoon getting hot when left in a hot soup. So P match with third. Convection is formation of trade winds. So Q match with first. Radiation is a solar cooker with its interior painted black. So 4. And the thermal insulation is match with 2. So our correct option will be 3, 1, 4, 2. So C will be the correct answer for question number 6. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7 and 8 both are based on same paragraph. So in paragraph, a toy car starts from rest. So U is equal to 0 at a point P and move along a straight line track. It accelerated uniformly for 4 seconds. Covering a distance of 32 meters and reach point Q. So this is point Q. It travels a constant velocity for next 5 seconds. So constant velocity for 5 seconds to reach point R. Finally, it deaccelerates uniformly and comes to rest at point S in 3 seconds. So now, what is the constant velocity of the car during journey from Q to R? So in this space, we have to find constant velocity. So first, we have to find S equal to ut plus half a t square. So from P to Q, U is 0, S is 32, 1 by 2, A and T is what? 4 square, 16. So now we have get A, which is 4 meter per second square. And we know that from Q to R, we have a 5 second of duration. So in that case, we can find V is equal to U plus AT. So U is 0 for P to Q, plus A is 4 and T is 4. So 16 meter per second is the constant velocity for Q to R. So our correct answer will be option number B. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 8. So in question number 8, we have to find total displacement covered. So in paragraph, the car starts from P and is Q and cover 32 meter. And we have calculate that here the velocity is 16 meter per second from Q to R. And finally, he comes at rest at point S. So final velocity is 0. And here initial velocity is 16 meter per second for interval R to S. So from Q to R, it takes 5 seconds. The velocity is constant, so we can directly calculate the displacement. 16 5 ja 80 meter. Now from interval R to S, we have to calculate the displacement. So first we are going to calculate A. So A is what? V minus U by T. Here it is, the time interval is 3 seconds. So V is 0, U is 16 divided by 3. So A will be minus 16 by 3. Now we have to calculate S. So S equal to ut plus half a t square. So U is 16, T is 3 minus 1 by 2. A is 16 by 3 and t square, that is 9. So 16 3 ja 48, 8 and 3. So 8 4 ja 24. So for 48 minus 24, so 24 meter. So 32, 80 and 24. So sum will be 136. So our correct option is option number C for question number 8. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is multiple choice. So we can say that there will be more than one option can be correct. So let's start. In the given circuit, all bulbs are identical. Okay, identical means they have a equal resistance. And the battery is ideal. Select all correct statements. Okay. So option number A is bulb B will be the brightest. Yes. Option B is bulb B3 and B4 will have equal brightness. Yes, because they have a equal resistance, so they will get same power, so they have a equal brightness. So B will be correct. If bulb B3 fuse, bulb B4 will also stop glowing, but B1 and B2 will remain lit. Yes, because they are parallel and B3 and B4 are in series. The last is the brightness of bulb B2 is greater than brightness of bulb B3. Yes, so A, B, C and D, all the options are correct for question number 9. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 10. So in question number 10, a simple pendulum consists of a small metallic bob and a light string is oscillating with a small amplitude in a vacuum. Its time period t is given, that is 2 seconds. Select all correct statement regarding this motion. So option number first is the motion of the bob is both oscillatory and periodic. Yes, it is. The frequency of a oscillation is 0.5 hertz. We know that frequency is 1 by t, so t is 2. So frequency is 1.5 hertz. Yes, it is also true. If the experiment is repeated with a bob of the same size but double the mass, the time period will become 4 seconds. So we know that the formula of time period is 2 pi under root L by G. So time period does not depends on mass. So this will be wrong. A light year is a unit for time used to measure large cosmic interval. No, the light year is a unit to measure long distances. So D will be wrong. So our correct options is A and B for question number 10. So these are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for stage 2 class 7th. Let's take the questions. Radhika dissolve NaCl and sugar in water in beaker 1 and beaker 2 respectively. Which of the following observations is correct? Let's discuss the question. Radhika dissolve NaCl and sugar, and dissolution of NaCl and sugar is physical change in which temperature is decreased, as these are endothermic processes. Let's take the options. Option A, the solution becomes warm in beaker 1 and it is a chemical change. No, it is wrong. The solution becomes cold in beaker 2 and it is a physical change. Yes, this is correct. No, change in temperature is observed and both are physical changes. No, it is wrong. The solution becomes cold in both beakers and both are chemical changes. No, it is wrong. So the answer is option B. Now the next question. 3 salts X, Y and Z are dissolved in water. Methyl orange indicator is added separately to each solution. Which of the following correctly shows the pH and color change? and this is the table in which X has pH 2 and showing acidic nature, and change in color is given red, and this is correct for acid. In methyl orange, acid will give red having pH 2. Y has pH 11 and this is basic and gives pink color in methyl orange, that is not true or correct. Z has pH 7 and it is neutral and gives orange color with methyl orange, so it is again the true. Let's take the answer. A. All observations are correct. No, it is wrong. B. First and second are correct. No, second is wrong, so B is incorrect. Only 1 is correct. No, it is again wrong. D. 1 and 3 are correct. Yes, 1 and 3 are correct. So the correct answer is option D. Now the next question is, select the correct sequence of methods to separate the mixture of potatoes, sawdust and salt. Let's discuss the question. The mixture of potato, sawdust and salt, we have to choose first hand picking. By hand picking we can separate the potatoes. After this we have to dissolve the mixture of sawdust and salt. So we have to take the next process, dissolution, and after dissolution we can filter the sawdust by a filtration method by using filter paper, and after this taking evaporation we can evaporate water and get salt. So the correct option will be A. Evaporation, dissolution, filtration, hand picking. Yes, it is wrong. Hand picking, evaporation, filtration, dissolution. No, it is again wrong. Evaporation, dissolution, filtration, hand picking. No, it is again wrong. D. Hand picking, dissolution, filtration and evaporation. Yes, hand picking, dissolution, filtration and evaporation, it is the correct sequence to separate the mixture given. So the answer is option D. The next question is, choose the single word for the following separation techniques shown in pictures. Yes, the first picture is showing distillation. The next is showing filtration. And this is centrifugation. And the last fourth one is for chromatography. Let's take the options. Option A, filtration, chromatography, distillation, centrifugation. This is wrong. B, distillation. Second, centrifugation. This is wrong. C, distillation. Then second, filtration, centrifugation and chromatography. So this is correct sequence. First, distillation, chromatography, filtration and centrifugation. No, it is wrong. So the correct answer is option C. Now the next question is, which of the following statement is true false? The first statement is, neutralization reaction take place to regain the shine of copper utensils at home. Yes, this is true statement, as we know that in basic layer is produced on the surface of copper utensil due to the corrosion, and it can be removed by using citric acid in the form of lemon, and this is called neutralization reaction. Now the second statement is, Anodization is the process by which an oxide layer is formed on the metal surface. Again, it is the true statement, as we know that to prevent corrosion, we form an oxide layer on the metal surface by using process anodization. So, this is true statement. Precipitate is formed in a chemical reaction which is dissolved. No, this is a false statement because precipitate is insoluble solid substance. So, this is false. Now, the options are A, F, false, false, true. No, this is wrong. B, true, false, true. No, this is again wrong. C, true, true, false. Yes. True, true, false. This is the correct option. And D, true, false, false. This is again wrong. So, the correct answer is option C. Now, the next question is, match column first and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. There are column 1 and column 2. Column 1 having P as acetic acid, Q baking soda, R bleaching powder, S caustic soda. Column 2 has first preservative, second disinfectant, third antacid, fourth soap and detergents. Now, acetic acid is used as preservatives, so P resembled with first. Baking soda is used as antacid, so Q is resembled with 3. Bleaching powder is used as disinfectant, so R resembled with 2. And caustic soda, that is NaOH, is used in soap and detergents, so this S is resembled with 4. Now the options are option A 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is wrong. Option B 1, 3, 2, 4. Yes, 1, 3, 2, 4 is the correct. So B is the answer. C 3, 1, 4, 2. No, it is wrong. D 2, 1, 4, 3. No, it is again wrong. So answer is option B. This is paragraph based question. The thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate involves heating ferrous sulfate heptahydride FeSO4.7H2O, a light green crystalline solid which first loses its water of crystallization to form white anhydrous ferrous sulfate FeSO4. Water of crystallization are not chemically bonded. Now the question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Washing soda. We know the formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O and number of water of crystallization are 10. So this is correct. Baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaCO3. So there is no any water of crystallization. So it is also correct. POP is CaSO4.half H2O, so the water of crystallization is half, so it is also correct. And blue vitriol means CuSO4.5H2O, and here the water of crystallization are 5 and here given 3, so it is wrong. So the option is option A, only 4. This is correct according to question. B, only 2 and 3. No, it is wrong. Only 1 and 4. It is again wrong. Only 1, 2 and 4. This is wrong. So the correct answer is option A. Now the next question is, which of the following is classified as decomposition reaction, which is a chemical change? Now the options are option A, calcium carbonate is heated and giving calcium oxide and CO2, and this is the chemical change and also a decomposition reaction. So according to question, we can say that the correct answer will be option A. Option B is water in the solid form by heating gives its liquid form. So it is a physical change. So B is incorrect. NH4Cl, it is solid in form and after heating it gives its gaseous form. This is sublimation and physical change. So it is again wrong. Nitrogen and oxygen in the presence of heat gives 2NO. This is a chemical change but a combination reaction. So according to question, this is not the answer. So answer will be option A. Now the next is, which of the following statement are correct for soluble and insoluble substances? And the question is MCQ type. So A, water molecules surround the soluble particles and keep them from settling. Yes, this is true. This is correct option. In milk, fat molecules are soluble. No, fat molecules are dispersed and form a colloidal solution. Starch is completely soluble in water. No, again it forms a colloid. So this is again the incorrect. Calcium carbonate salt is insoluble in water. Yes, CaCO3 is insoluble in water. So this is again the correct according to question. So there are two options correct, option A and option D. Now the next question is, four solutions P, Q, R and S have pH 13.9, 9.8, 2.5, 7.0 respectively. Find the correct statement from the given options. Let's discuss the question. Here P, Q, R, S. There is 13.9 pH, 9.8, 2.5 and 7.0. This is acidic. This is weak base. This is strong base. And this is neutral solution. Now, the first option is the decreasing order of H plus ions is PQSR. As we know that pH is increased when H plus ions decreased. So the minimum H plus ions will be in P, not in R. So this is wrong. The decreasing order of the acidic nature is RSQP. Decreasing order will be, acidic nature will be, the maximum acidic is R, then S, then Q, then P. So this is the correct option. Solution RS do not change the smell of onion. Yes, as this is acidic and S is neutral and both do not change the smell of onion. So this is again the correct option. Solution S give green color with universal indicator and S is neutral and neutral substances give green color with universal indicator. So the option D is also correct. So there are B, C and D. These are the correct option. Now this is the complete part 2 chemistry. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं। Thank you very much.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. Refer to the given table, name of plant, presence or absence of leaves and mode of nutrition. Plant name mistletoe, nepenthes and coscata. Presence or absence, leaves, present, next nutrition, partially parasitic and completely. Choose from option and select the correct. Select the correct option for L, M and N. Option A, L present, mean to say leaf present, M partially heterotrophic nepenthes and N leaves completely absent. Mean to say these are the right because in nepenthes these are the heterotrophic and L in mistletoe leaves present and in N coscata leaves absent. So option A is correct. Check another. In coscata leaf present, absent, B and C wrong. Nepenthes, mode of nutrition partially parasitic, no. So according to LMN, option A is right. Option A is right for this question. Next, which of the following statement support the fact that the upper surface of the leaves is usually greenery and then the lower surface? More chlorophyll is present on the upper surface to absorb more light, and there are more stomata present on upper surface, lower surface, no. More sugar is formed on the lower surface, no. The green leaf look greener under the hot sun, no. So option A, statement A support to upper surface of leaf. Option A only first statement right. Option A is right. Next, vitamin blink first make bone and teeth strong. This vitamin is synthesized by the body on exposure to second. Deficiency of these vitamin in children cause third, and select the correct option first, second and third. Vitamin D, that is relate with bone and teeth, D, and exposed to sunlight and cause rickets, deficiency rickets. So option A is right, that is relate with bones. Next, Janvi made a paste of two food items P and Q each, and put them into two test tube. She added dilute iodine solution to food item P, iodine solution in P, while copper sulfate solution and caustic soda to food item Q. Copper sulfate and caustic soda in food item Q. She observed that P turn blue-black and Q turn violet. Which of the following is correct regarding this? Q is a starch-rich food, no. P is a protein-rich food, no. Q is a fat rich food, no. And P is starch rich food, because in presence of starch P turn blue black. So P is a starch rich food. Option D is correct for this question. Next, which of the following statement are true or false? First, chemical digestion of food is completed in the large intestine. That is false, because completely digestion in small intestine. So, wrong statement. Next, mastication of chewing of food to break it into smaller pieces. That is right, true statement. And next, diarrhea is caused by an infection of bacteria due to poor hygiene, contaminated water. That is right, true. So, false, true, true. Option A is right for this question. Next question, match column first and second. Mechanical breakdown of food, second column stomach, passes the connect mouth to stomach, gallbladder, and chemical digestion of protein start mouth and store bile, esophagus. So, according to matching, store bile store S in second, correct. Next, chemical digestion of protein start in stomach, that is right. And passes of connect mouth, that is food pipe, esophagus. And mechanical breakdown of food by chewing, that is mouth. So, according to matching over right answer 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2 in option A. Option A is right for this question. Option A right. Food pipe, gallbladder, and mouth and stomach. According to matching, over right answer is option A. Next, paragraph question. Root of legume plant have nodules like this. These nodules contain microbes, bacteria that help in nitrogen fixation. A nodule in which organism acts live and convert atmospheric nitrogen in soluble nitrate. These nitrogen compounds are used by leguminous plant. Which type of interaction is seen between the organism X and legume plant? That is symbiotic relationship. Shows our right answer is option A. Option A, symbiosis, is right, because microbe convert nitrogen in their component or compound, and protection or nutrient given to microbe. So, symbiotic relationship help to each other. Next, which plants show association with organism X? Maize, moong, banana, and wheat. Moong pulses plant. X relate with moong plant. So option B is right. Option B is right. Next, refer the given diagram of the human digestive system and select the incorrect option. Select the incorrect option. R secrete digestive amylase, R secrete digestive amylase, lipase, pepsin. No, this is pancreas, so wrong statement. Next, P secrete bile juice, whereas T secrete hydrochloric acid. No, wrong. C is longer in cow as compared to tiger to add the diagram of cellulose rich food, right? And Q is the largest digestive gland. Q is the largest gland which secrete different enzyme for digestion of fat, protein and carbohydrate. No, according to PQRST, incorrect option is A, B and D. So according to multiple choice, A, B, D is the right answer. Next, refer the given figure and select the correct option. A. Generally, the plants with Q also have R. P have R. Generally, the plants with Q also have R. In diagram, first of all, in diagram P show dicot condition and Q show monocot condition, because in main root and primary, secondary, tertiary in fibrous condition, so this is monocot. In monocot, parallel venation find out, and in dicot, webbed light reticulate venation find out. So generally the plants with Q also have R, right? Generally the plant with P also have S, right? Plant with Q type of root are more easily uprooted than those of P, right? And plant with P type of root include grass and cereals. No. P is dicot, so mango include in P. Grasses and cereals include in Q. So A, B and C is the right answer for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 7 for mathematics subject. So here we have question number 31st, that is, in the given figure, if AB is parallel to ED and AG is parallel to CB and AF that is perpendicular to AB and the angle FAG is equal to 48 degree and the angle CDE is equal to 37 degree, then we have to find the value of X. It means this X, okay, this angle. So we know here we have given AF is perpendicular to AB. So here we have AF, here we have AB. It means the complete angle is 90 degree. So in 90 degree, this one is the 48 degree. So rest angle is 90 minus 48, which is 42 degree. So here I can write 42 degree. Here we have given AG that is parallel to CB. So AG is parallel to CB. It means this angle and this angle is alternate angle. So here we have 42 degree. And again here we have given AB is parallel to ED. So here we have AB and here we have ED parallel. So what we do? First we construct a line which is parallel to AB and ED and pass through the point C. So we know this angle is 42. So this angle is also 42. We know this is 37. So this one is also 37 due to alternate angle. And we know the complete angle is 360 degree. So I can write here 360 degree, which is equal to the X plus 42 plus 37 degrees. So I can write here 360 degree is equal to X plus 42 plus 37. Here we get 79 degree. So we can say that 360 degree minus 79 degree is equal to x, and here when we simplify it we get that is 281 degree is equal to x. So check which option is correct. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, if the side of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4:5, then the triangle is, so we know 3:4:5 is a Pythagorean triplets, and Pythagorean triplets are in the right angle triangle. Okay, so in right angle triangle we can use Pythagorean triplets, so option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, a bag contain 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. So one ball is drawn random. Okay, probability that it is not red. It is not red. It means the ball is blue. So the total balls is equal to 5 red plus 3 blue balls. So total balls here we get that is 8. And we have to find the probability not red. It means probability of getting blue ball. So favorable outcomes, that is 3. Total possible outcome, that is 8. So 3/8 is the probability to getting not red ball. Okay, so 3/8. So 3/8, option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is if the radius of a circle is increased by 20%, then the percentage of increase in its area. So we know, let the radius first we assume 100, then the new radius r dash, that is 20%, after increasing 20%, 120. Then we have to find the area. So old area, here we know A is equal to pi r square. So A equal to pi multiply 100 multiply 100, and the after increasing radius 20%, the new area is equal to pi multiply 120 multiply 120. So we have to find the increasing area. So I know area upon new area, that is pi multiply upon pi multiply 120 multiply 120. So 202 20 cancel out. So I can write here new area upon old area, that is, here we can set pi to pi cancel out. So 144 upon 100. So if the new area is 100, then if the old area is 100, the new area is 144. So increasing percentage, that is 44%. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about the next question, that is the product of 3 consecutive integers is always divisible by. So let the 3 consecutive integers should be n plus 1, n minus 1. So I can write in proper manner, that is n minus 1, n plus 1. The number, this is the divisible by 2, divisible by 3, and also divisible by 6. So product is divisible by 6. No, it means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, we have to simplify this one. So I can write here 5/6, okay, divided by 3/4 minus, so 2 1 2, 2 4 8, it means 7/12. So what we do, first we have to simplify this one using Boltzmann's rule. 5/6 multiply 4/3 minus 7/12. So 2 2 4, 2 3 6, it means 10/9 minus 7/12. So when we take the LCM of 12 and 9, we get 36. So 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 4 36. So 4 multiply 40 minus 21. Here we get, that is 19/36. So 19/36, it means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is we have to simplify this one. Bracket, small bracket, 5.88 per bar minus 4.58 on bar minus 0.62 on bar plus 0.36 on bar. So first we have to simplify this bracket. So I can write here 5 plus 0. bar on 88 minus bracket 4 plus 0.36
58 on bar. Okay, so I can write here 5 plus 88 upon 99. When I simplify it, so minus 4 minus 58 upon 99. So now we solve this one. So I can write it again, minus 64 upon 99 minus 36 upon 99. Okay, so now we know 5 minus 4, that is 1, plus 88 upon 99 minus 58 upon 99 minus 64 upon 99 minus 36 upon 99. So I can write here 1 plus, here we take LCM, that is 99. So I can write here 88 minus 58 minus 64 minus 36. So here we know 64 minus 36 minus minus plus, it means here we get 100. So I can write here 1 plus 88 minus 158 upon 99. So after simplify it, I can write here 99 plus 88 minus 158 upon 99. So I can write here 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1, 9 plus 70 plus 187 minus 158 upon 99. So we know 60, 27, 27 here, 29 upon 99 is the correct answer. So 29 upon 99, it means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is if x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 83, then find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So here we have given x square plus 1 upon x square, which is equal to 83, and we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Okay, we know a identity, that is a minus b whole square. So I can write here x minus 1 upon x2 whole square, that is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 multiply 1 upon x multiply by x. So here we can say x to x cancel out. So I can write here x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, and we know the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 83. So I can write here 83 minus 2, which is equal to 81, and that is also equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square. So I can write here x minus 1 upon x whole square, which is equal to 81, and the value of x minus 1 upon x, that is under root of 81, which is equal to 9. So here the value of x minus 1 upon x is 9. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is which of the following statement are true and false. So here we have given 3 statements. So statement number 1, that is 3 points can be collinear and non-collinear at the same time. No, this is not possible. So here this one is the false. If 2 circles have the same center but different radii, they intersect at infinitely many points. So let's assume we have a circle whose center is this one, and another circle whose radius is different but the center is same. So we can say that they are not intersect each other. Okay, so this one is false. The third, if 2 lines in a plane do not intersect, they must be parallel. Yes, this one is true. So the correct option is false, false and true. So FFT, it means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is which of the following statement are true and false. Again here we have given 3 statements, and the statement number 1, that is the area of parallelogram is calculated by multiplying its base by its corresponding heights. Yes, this one is true. Second, if the side of a cube is doubled, its volume become 8 times the original volume. So let's assume the side of a cube is A. Okay, and the new side, that is S dash is double, it means 2A. So we know volume, that is side cube. So a cube, it means a cube, and the new volume after double the side. So I can say that 2A cube, that is 8A cube. So we can say that new volume is equal to 8 times of old volume. and here we have given 8 times of the original volume, right? This one is true. Next, the perimeter of a rectangle with length L and breadth B is given by the formula P equal to length multiply breadth. No, now this formula is used to find the area of rectangle, not the perimeter. We know the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So I can say this statement is false. So the correct option is true, true, false. So the correct option is true, true, false. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, match column 1, that is here we have given terms, and column 2 here we have given definitions, and select the correct answer using the code given below. In the first here we have given mean. We know mean, that is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So check sum of all observations divided by number of observations. It means P is connected to 4. So I can write here P is connected to 4. Next, median. Median is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order, descending order. This one is true. So Q is connected to 3. So I can write here Q is connected to 3rd. Mode is the observation that occur most frequently. This is the mode of the given data. So R is connected to 2, and last, that is S. So S range, that is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation. So S is connected to 1. So the correct option is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on match column 1 and column 2, and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. So in column 1, P, here we have by how much should 59.71 be decreased to get 34.58. So here we have by how much should 59.71 should be decreased to get 34.58. So I can write here 59.71 when we transfer here, so minus 34.58, which is equal to X. Okay, so when we simplify it, we get answer that is 25.13, which is equal to X. It means P is connected to 3. So I can write here P is connected to 3. Okay, so now if I talk about the Q, that is 1 meter of cloth cost is rupees 152.50. Then what is the cost of 10.75 meter of clothes? So when we multiply it, we get answer that is 1639.375. It means Q is connected to 4. So I can write here Q is connected to 4. If I talk about the R, that is Prerna cuts 50 meter clothes into pieces of 1.25 meter each. So how many pieces does she get? So 50 meter total cloth, and the length of one piece is 1.25. So when we remove decimal here, we take 2 zeros here. So here I can write 50 multiply 100 upon 125. So 25 4 is 100, 25 5 is 125, 5 1 is 5, 5 10 is 50. That is, here we have total pieces, that is 40. It means R is connected to 1. So here I can write R is connected to 1. And last, here we have S. That is the cost of 8 bags of wheat is 64.80. The cost of 8 bag is equal to 64.80, and we have to find the cost of 15 such bag. So for 1 bag cost, we can write 64.80 divided by 8, and for 15 bag we have to just multiply it by 15. So answer that is we get, that is 121.50. It means S is connected to 2. So here I can write S is connected to 2. So the correct answer is 3412. So here we have 3412. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is Aditya, who is working in a multinational company, earn rupees 1,50,000 per month. So income is 1,50,000 per month. Out of his earning, he spent 1/10 on food item. So on food item, he spent 1/10 of its total income, that is 15,000 rupees. And 1/4 on shopping with family. So shopping with family, that is SF, which is equal to 1/4. So I can write here 1/4 of his family, that is 1/5. This one. So I can write here, when we simplify it, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, carry here we get 3, and here we have 0. So 4 7 ja 28. Here we have again 2, and 4 5 ja 20, and here we have last 2 0. So he spent 37500 rupees on shopping with family. Okay, and 1/5 of the remaining on education. 1/5 of the remaining. So first we have to find the remaining amount. So remaining amount, that is total, that is 1,50,000 minus 15,000 plus 37,500. So 1,50,000 minus, here we have 500, and here 7 plus 5 12, carry 1 3 1 4 and 5. So when we simplify it, we get answer, that is 97500. That is the remaining amount. And remaining amount, 1/5 of the remaining amount he spent on education. So on education, he spent 1/5 of the remaining amount, that is 97500. Okay, so when we simplify it, 5 1 ja 5, carry here we get 4, and we take 47. So 9 5 ja 45, 2. This amount he spent on education. So the question is, how much money was left with him after spending on food and shopping? So after spending on food and shopping, the money left with, that is 97,500. So 97,500. This one, it means option number D is the correct answer. So if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is, calculate the amount spent by Aditya on education of children. So in last question, we have to just simplify the education on children. He spent the amount, that is 19,500. So 19,500. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is, 4 friends Alex, Ben, Chris and David decided to order a large pizza for dinner. Okay, the total cost of pizza is rupees 800. Each friend agrees to pay fraction of the total cost. Alex agreed to pay 1/4 of the cost. So for Alex, that is a 1/4 of the total cost, that is 800. It means Alex wants to pay rupees 200. Okay, and Ben decided to 1/5 of the cost. So Ben decided 1/5 of the total cost, that is 800. So I can write here, when we simplify it, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, here we have 3, 6 5 30, 160 rupees decided to pay Ben, and Chris of covered to 3/10 of the total bill. So 3/10 of the total bill, it means 3/10 of the 800. So 0 to 0 cancel out. So 80 multiplied by 3. So 8 3 ja 24, that is 240 rupees. And David agreed to pay remaining amount. Okay, David agreed to pay remaining amount. So amount paid by David, that is 800 minus sum of all this amount. So 200 plus 160 plus 240. So 800 minus 240 plus 60, 300, 300 plus 400, 400 or 2, 600. It means David paid, that is 200 rupees. Okay, so now the question is, what amount of the total bill does David have to pay? David have to pay 200 rupees, and 200 rupees is the 1/4 of the total bill. It means 1/4. It means option number A is the correct answer. So if I talk about the text question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is, how much more money did Chris pay than Ben? So here we have Chris pay, that is rupees 240. So I can write here Chris pay rupees 240. Then Ben, and in last we have to find the Ben pay rupees 160. So I can write here Ben pay rupees 160. So Chris pay 80 rupees more. Okay, so here 80 rupees more. Option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is multiple correct question. Okay, the question is, a cylindrical vessel of radius 7 cm and height 30 cm is completely filled with water. This water is then poured into a cubical tank of base 21 cm multiplied by 15 cm. So which of the following are correct? So here we have given that is the height of water. Height of water. Here we have volume of water. So here we have to find the two. First is height of the water. Then second is the volume of the water, which we transfer. Okay. So we know the volume of cylindrical vessel, which is equal to the volume of cuboidal tank. We know the volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, which is equal to L B h. Okay, and the radius here we have given 7 cm. So I can write here the value of pi, that is 22.7, multiply r, that is 7, multiply 7, and we have to find the height. So I can write here height, which is in cylinder we have given that is 30, and the length here we have given 21, breadth here we have given 15, and we have to find the height of the cubical tank. So I can write here h. So here 7 to 7 cancel out. So I can write here 22 multiply 7 multiply 30 upon 21 multiply 15, which is equal to h. So I can say 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Here we have 5 2 ja 10. It means the height here we get 44 upon 3 centimeter. That is the height. So check. Okay, here we have given in decimal number. So I can say that 14.66 centimeter. That is the height. So 14.66 this one. Okay, and now we have to find the volume. We know volume, so we can simplify this one just for the volume. So I can write here 22.7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 30. So I can write here. So what we do, we know when we simplify first this one. So I can write here 7 multiply to 10, that is 1470, and multiply by 22.7. When we simplify it, here we get the answer, that is 4620 centimeter cube, which is the volume of water that transfer in. Okay, it means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, then which of the following are correct? So here we have given A, B, C, D. So let's assume first we have to find x plus 1 upon x raised to whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Okay, so the value of x plus 1 upon x, which is already given, that is 3. So I can write here the square of 3, that is 9. And we transfer here, so here we get minus 2, which is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. So we know x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7. It means this is the correct. Next is x square minus 1 upon x square is equal to 3 root 5. So we know x square minus 1 upon x square, that is x minus 1 upon x, and here x plus 1 upon x. The important thing is here we know the value of x plus 1 upon x, but we don't know the value of x minus 1 upon x. So first we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So again we know x minus 1 upon x whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. and the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is already we have to find, that is 7. So I can write here 7 minus 2, that is 5, which is equal to the x minus 1 upon x to square. So the value of x minus 1 upon x, which is equal to under root of 5. So now we put the value of x minus 1 upon x, that is under root 5, the value of x plus 1 upon x, that is 3. So the correct answer is 3 under root 5. It means option number B is also correct. So now if I talk about the third, that is x cube minus 1 upon x cube, we know which is equal to x minus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So x minus 1 upon x, here we have under root 5, and x square plus 1 upon x square, here we have 7 plus 1. The correct is, that is 8 under root 5, but here we have 18, so this one is not correct. Now last, that is x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So we know x cube plus 1 upon x cube, which is equal to x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1, and the value of x plus 1 upon x already given, that is 3, and x square plus 1 upon x square, that is 7 minus 1. So 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. So check here 18, no, it means option number A and B are the correct. So now if I talk about the next question, that is in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and the one side is 12 centimeter, then which of the following are the correct? So the other side is 15 centimeters. So first we draw a right angle triangle. This is the longest side, that is hypotenuse, which is 13, and the one side, let's assume this one is the 12. Now we have to find this one. We know we can use here the Pythagoras theorem. So we know hypotenuse square, it means the square of 13, which is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So 13 square, that is we know 169, equal to 12 square 144 plus p square. So the value of p square equal to 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25. So the here we get p is equal to root of 25, which is equal to 5. So the perpendicular length is 5. It means the other side is 5. So I can write this one is true. Next is the triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle. No, all three sides are different. So this is the scalene triangle, not a isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, the area of triangle is 30 centimeter. We know area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2, here we have given base, that is 12, and height already we find, that is 5. So 2 to cancel out 6 times. So I can write here 6 multiply by 5, that is 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter, this one is true. The area of triangle is 17, no, this one is. So here A and C are the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line. So let's assume this one and this are the two parallel lines and cut by a transversal line, this one. If one of the interior angle is 65 degree, let's assume this angle is the 65 degree, then which of the following are correct? Okay, so vertically opposite angle to 65 degree is also 65. So vertically opposite angle, this one, this is also 65. Yes, this one is true. It means this is the correct. The alternate interior angle of the corresponding to 65 is 115 degree. Again read, the alternate interior angle of the corresponding to 65 is 115. No, this one is not correct. Next, the corresponding angle of 65 is 65 degree. So the corresponding angle of this one is this one. This is also 65 degree. Says this one is also correct. The co-interior angle on the same side of a transverse is 115 degree. It means this one. So we know the co-interior, the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. So 180 minus 65 degree, it means 115 degree. It means this option is correct. So here A, C and D is the correct answer. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to this channel. We are here to discuss the solution of logical reasoning section. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing number of given number series. So first find the pattern of given number series. So pattern is 2 to 3. It means if 1 is added to 2 then we get 3. Now 3 to 12 it means 3 plus 9 it means 12. Now 12 plus 25 it means 37. Now 37 plus 49 it means 86. Now 86 plus 81 it means 167. So now pattern is plus 1 plus 9 plus 25 plus 49 plus 81. So pattern is 1 it means 1 square, 9 it means 3 square, 25 it means 5 square, 49 it means 7 square, 81 it means 9 square. So pattern is 1 3 5 7 9. Now 11 square. So 11 square it means 121. So adding 121 in 167 then we get 288. So 288 is the next number of given number series. So here option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term of given letter series. So find the pattern. So according to given question, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is L, first alphabet of second term is N, first alphabet of third term is P. After P next is missing, after missing next is T. So first find the place value of given letters. So place value of L is 12, place value of N is 14, place value of P is 16, place value of T is 20. Now pattern is 12 plus 2 it means 14, 14 plus 2 it means 16, now 16 plus 2 it means 18. So 18 it means R, because place value of R in English alphabet is 18. So first alphabet of missing term is R. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is M, second alphabet of second term is O, second alphabet of third term is Q, after Q next is missing, after missing next is U. So find the place value of given letters. So place value of M is 13, place value of O is 15, place value of Q is 17 and place value of U is 21. So now pattern is 13 plus 2 it means 15, 15 plus 2 it means 17, now 17 plus 2 it means 19. So 19 it means S, because place value of S is 19 in English alphabet. So second missing alphabet of missing term is S. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is A, third alphabet of second term is B, third alphabet of third term is C. After C next is missing, after missing next is A. So now pattern is A, B, C, now missing is D. So missing alphabet is D. So missing term is RSD. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Find the missing term of given alphanumeric series. So taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is Z, first alphabet of second term is Y, first alphabet of third term is X, first alphabet of fourth term is W, after W next is missing. So now pattern is Z, Y, X, W, now next is V. So first alphabet of missing term is V. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is A, second alphabet of second term is B, second alphabet of third term is C, after C next is D, and after D next is missing. So now pattern is A, B, C, D, and next is E. So second alphabet of missing term is E. Now taking numbers. So first number is 2, second number is 12, third number is 36, and fourth number is 80. After 80, next number is missing. So find the pattern of given number series. So 2 to 12, it means if 10 is added into 2, then we get 12. Now 12 to 20 is 36, it means plus 24. 36 to 80, it means 44. So 10 to 24, it means 4 plus 14. 24 to 44, it means plus 20. So plus 14 plus 20, now plus 26. So adding 26 in 44, then we get 70. So now 70 is added to 80, then we get next term. So 70 plus 80, it means 150. So missing number is 150. So missing term is VE 150. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Madhuri travels 14 km towards west and then turns left and travels 6 km and further turns left and travels 26 km. How far is Madhuri now from the starting point? As we know, there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, and this is southwest, and this is northwest. So now question is, Madhuri travels 14 km towards west. Let's suppose A is the starting point of Madhuri. Now Madhuri travels 14 km towards west. C goes 14 km towards west and then turns left and goes for 6 km and goes for 6 km. Further C turns left and goes for 26 km. Let's suppose B is the final point of Madhuri. Now how far is Madhuri now from the starting point? So now find the distance in between starting point and final point. So it means find the distance between A and B. So first draw a parallel line to this line. So let's suppose this point is C. So in a right angle triangle ACB, so value of BC, this is C. So value of BC is equals to, total is 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14, it means 12 kilometer, and value of AC is equals to 6 kilometer. Now using Pythagoras theorem, so according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So AB square is equals to, value of AC is 6 square plus value of BC is 12, so 12 square. So now AB square is equals to 6 means 6 square, it means 36, plus 12 square, it means 144. 36 plus 144, it means 180. So now value of AB is equals to root 180 kilometer. So now distance between starting point and final point is 180 kilometers. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose a figure which most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z from the 4 answer figure given below. So unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X because X represents unfolded paper. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. if unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this, and this is the folded part, and this is the Y. Now unfold the Y. So Y will be unfolded in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. So now unfold the Y, then we get a image something like this. This is the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option A is the correct answer of this question because option A shows the correct unfolded sheet after cut. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a row there are 90 people. So number of people is equals to 90 and all are facing towards north. All are facing towards north. This is a row, and this is the left end of the row, and this is the right end of the row. Now Ravi is 20 placed from the left. Position of Ravi is 20 from the left. If he moves 10 place to his right, this is the right side of Ravi and this is the left side of the Ravi. Now Ravi moves 10th place to his right. So he moves 10th place to his right, then he becomes 30 place from the left end. So newly position of Ravi from the left is 30. Now find the new position of Ravi from the right end. So find the newly position of Ravi from the right end. So here formula is total minus newly position of Ravi from the left plus 1. So here total is equals to 90 minus newly position of Ravi from the left is 30. So 90 minus 30 plus 1. So 90 minus 30 it means 60 plus 1 it means 60 first. So newly position of Ravi from the right end is 60 first. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. 5 persons, Ankit, Sumit, Dinesh, Nitin and Kapil, each having a different height such that Ankit is taller than Nitin and Kapil. Dinesh is shorter than only Sumit. Nitin is taller than Kapil. Who among the following is third tallest? Find the rank of person in their heights. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now according to given information, Ankit is taller than Nitin and Kapil. Ankit is taller than to Nitin and Kapil, and Nitin is taller than to Kapil. So Nitin is taller than to Kapil, and Dinesh is shorter than only Sumit. Only Sumit, it means Sumit is the tallest person among them. Sumit is the tallest person among them, and Dinesh is the second tallest because Dinesh is only shorter than to Sumit. It means Dinesh is the second tallest among them. So now here only 3 places are vacant and only these 3 persons are left. So Ankit is third tallest and Nitin is fourth tallest and Kapil is the shortest person among them. So now question is, who among the following is third tallest? So third tallest is Ankit among them. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. In this question, assume the given statements to be true. Find which of the conclusion among the given conclusion are true. then give your answer accordingly. We have 3 statements and 2 conclusions. So according to first conclusion, M is greater than to H. So we have moved to from M to H. So M to H. M is equals to K. K is equals to O. O is greater than to U. So it means M is greater than to U. Now U is greater than to I. So it means M is greater than to I. Now I is greater than to H. So it means M is greater than to H. So here conclusion first is definitely true according to given statements. Now take the conclusion second. According to conclusion second, R is less than to U. Other, you can say U is greater than to R. U is greater than to R. So we have to move from U to R. So U to R. So U is greater than to I. U is greater than to I. I is equals to F. I is equals to F. It means U is greater than to F. Now F is greater than to F is greater than to R. So it means U is greater than to R. So it means conclusion second is also definitely true. So here both conclusion first and conclusion second are true is the correct answer. It means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace the asterisk sign and the balance the given equations. So in this question, options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So according to option A, 6 first asterisk means plus 18, second asterisk it means again plus, third asterisk it means multiply by 12. Now fourth asterisk means is equals to 24. So first multiply the numbers. So 6 plus 18 plus 3 into 12, it means 36 is equals to 24. Now 6 plus 18, it means 24. 24 plus 36, it means 60. 60 never equals to 24. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. So it means option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B, according to option B, 6 first asterisk means multiply by 18, second asterisk means divided by 3, third asterisk means minus 12, fourth asterisk means is equals to 24. So first divide the numbers according to BODMAS rule. So 18 divided by 3, it means 6. 6 multiply by 6 minus 12 is equals to 24. Now multiply the number 6 into 6, it means 36 minus 12 is equals to 24. 36 minus 12, it means 24, always equals to 24. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So it means option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Which answer? Find the mirror image of given figure. So as we know, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of this part. So this part in the mirror will look something like this. And so this is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option C shows the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the paper solution. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also follow the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.